All right, now let's go with some furniture. We have cama en la recámara. Cama.
La cama.
La cama, the bed. La cama. Then we have la comoda. La comoda. See? Good. El espejo. El espejo. Me gusta. I like el espejo. Then let's go to el baño for la estufa. No. Let's go to la cocina. So we get la estufa. La estufa. El refrigerador. El refrigerador. La lavadora. La lavadora. Muy bien, good job. La ducha. La ducha. The shower. La ducha slash. La bañera. La bañera. Also, el inodoro. El inodoro. Or sometimes we call it el excusado. This is literally the toilet. El inodoro. Or el excusado. You can use one or the other. It's funny because excusado is like the forgiven one or something like this. Like if you say, excuse me, that's like sorry, forgive me. So it's the same in Spanish. Excusado, like excuse me, I need to go for a second. Something like that. Excusado. And ducha and bañera is not as funny. Ducha is just shower. Bañera is bathtub. Then we have lavabo. Lavabo. Why? Because most words in Spanish make sense. Kind of make sense. Like from lavar, you know, wash. Lavar. So this is lavabo. Lavabo. Okay, perfecto, perfect. Sofá, of course. Sofá. Lámpara. Lámpara. Very similar to lamp. We add accent in ara. Lámpara. Lámpara.
La lámpara.
Sofá, by the way, is an interesting word because it does finishes in A, like 99% feminine words, but it's masculine.
El sofá.
El sofá. Weird. So you need to describe it with O's. So for example, if you want to say, the sofa is comfortable, you say, el sofá es cómodo. Cómodo. If it was a girl, we would need to say comoda. But because it's el sofá, we say cómodo. Good. Lámpara. Lámpara. And last but not least, las escaleras. Las escaleras. Sí. Muy bien. Nos vemos en la clase. Adiós.